Hello friends, this is Suraj Kapuri and you are watching my YouTube channel, and today I'll be unboxing this all new Kindle. So let's get started. I purchased this Kindle during the festive season sale and it cost me 6,499. So let's open it up and see what's inside the box. I don't have a proper cutting tool, so I'm using this blade, but you can use a stationary knife or scissors. So this is the box. This is how the cover looks. It looks very nice and it even weighs very less. So you can buy a back or flip cover to protect this device. All the necessary informations are given on the back side of the cover. As you can see, the MRP of the Kindle is 7,999 and it comes with 8 GB internal storage and inbuilt Wi-Fi. Display size is 6 inches with the resolution of 167 ppi. Let's pull it out. We get this black sleeve which looks amazing, and the Kindle is placed inside this box. So here we go, and this is the all new Kindle which looks amazing, as it's my first Kindle and I have no experience of reading in an ebook reader. Let's put it aside and see what else do we get with this Kindle. These are some instruction manuals, and if you want you can read it, but mostly nobody reads it. And apart from this we get a USB charging cable, and it might slightly disappoint you because it's not a type C cable, it's a micro USB cable, but it should not be something to worry about because Kindle takes very less time to charge. Apart from this, there is nothing in this box, and so this is the Kindle. As you can see, it looks really very beautiful, and the rear side of this Kindle has this matte finish, and on the bezel side there are no buttons. There's only a power button and a charging slot. As you press the power button, device takes some time to prepare itself, and after that you have to select the language, and you will have to connect it to the Wi-Fi for one time, and then you're ready to go. Friends, if you really like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel so that you get notified. And if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.